This is INFINIX Hot 20, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once any app is found, click on the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch the Opera. In here, for the first time launch, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet, unavoidable setup procedure. So in here, tap on the blue continue button. Next, decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat. I'll just skip this step for now. And at the final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.